Hurricane Irma officially made landfall in the Florida Keys on Sunday morning as a Category 4 storm. The Florida Division of Emergency Management estimates 6.3 million Florida residents have been told to evacuate. As of Sunday morning, more than 320 shelters were open for those evacuees. With heavy rains and winds up to 130 miles per hour, Irma is already wreaking havoc in Florida. Hundreds of thousands of households are without power, and much of the state is also under a tornado watch. The storm's eye should travel up the west coast of Florida Sunday. Forecasters expect Irma will hit the Florida Panhandle on Monday afternoon, moving inland from there.